until about 61 in the Bay of Pigs when John F. Kennedy fired him. You know what their profession was? Wall Street lawyers. At the law firm of Sullivan and Cromwell, which is today the most powerful law firm on Wall Street. Bill Casey, the man we just saw the memo addressed to. We know he was Ronald Reagan's DCI. What did Bill Casey do for Richard Nixon? He was chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Stanley Smirkin, one of my favorite turkeys, was CIA General Counsel during the 80s. He used to email back and forth with Oliver North. Here's Stanley to Ollie, Stanley to Ollie. It was very funny. Okay? Do you know what he did before he became... he was the General Counsel to the SEC. Securities and Exchange Commission, charged with monitoring all securities transactions. David Doherty, CIA General Counsel.